Oh, hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. Hey, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. Nice to see you. Hey, how you doing? Today, we're going to be doing a little odds and ends, buttoning things up that I've been putting in delay. So, first things first, we're going to put these valve covers on. We're going to get the valve covers all put on, dialed in. Then I have this new pulley system right here, and it doesn't have like a specific size belt, so we're going to try two. Here's the two that I've chosen one that's I think in 0.9, almost an inch longer, and then like an inch and a quarter or inch and a half. So we're gonna fit those up and see what fits. Then we're going to, where do you go? We're gonna do the, what's it called? Oh, the Evap delete. So check this out right here. See this right here? There's usually a big sensor that goes in this hole. We're gonna delete it today and just put a plate right there. Where are we at now? Okay, with that being said, once we get all that on there and get all the plugs and stuff like that lined up, then we are going to start mocking the transmission and flex plate up. So let's do this. All right, cool. So here's what we're gonna install. Dang, you hear that loud ass thing? So we're gonna add a little bit of lubricant to it. Just a little so it slips right in. There we go. Boom. And we're gonna get our Allen wrench in. Okay, now pause. Pause. That's it. Boom, done. Okay, so this thing needs to be replaced. It needs to be replaced with the, I think it's Dedicated Motorsports makes one that is high tension. So this is factory tension. I keep breaking belts. So with the high boost application, we're gonna need to upgrade this. I'm not gonna do it right now. I think it should be enough to get the car tuned on the dyno, but after that, this is a definite must to replace. Okay. Just a little. I just don't want it backing out. It is the tensioner after all. Okay, so I just did the first belt, and look how close it is. So the tolerances are going to be really close. I think it's going to work. So all I got to do is get this guy over this. So let's see if I can make that happen. Oof. Oh shit. Nope. Can't do it. Alright, that's a fail. Alright, people. So we got failure. As you can see, the belt is just a little too tight. No, right here. Hold on, my son. Pause. Oh. Alright, well, so failure. That's why I try to tell people mock up, dry fit, because you never know. I had two belts, this one and this one. One was 1.25 inches, one was 1.5 inches longer than what I had. And look, see down here, it doesn't fit. It barely fits. When I pull the tensioner all the way, it's like a 1/2 inch away. So that tells me that I need to order a 2-inch belt. So I'm gonna send these back and I'm gonna get the 2-inch belt. All right, trial and error. That's how you do it. Cool. All right. Next, belt don't work. So now we're gonna move on to the valve covers. Okay, valve covers. We are going to install the valve covers right now, but before I do that, the engine's probably been sitting for about 4 months, so I'm going to install this filter and check out the heads real quick. Here's what I'm going to do. So, see the heads, so you can get a close up on this guy. They've been sitting here open for about 4 months. I want to pour some oil on these bad boys just to lubricate them a little bit. So to do that, I need to install this oil filter, so that's what we're doing next. Alright, this is the oil recommended by LME for the break-in period of this car. So we got this. It's like high leaded, let's see, high zinc. It's for breaking your motor in. And this is also recommended by technician over there. Here's the oil filter that they recommend. So we're gonna pour this in here and then go and install it on the bottom of the car. Right around the ring. I know y'all know about that. Lube up the ring, baby. Go. Any way that you think looks good. Okay. My Outlaw Performance filter. Damn, it does not look like it fits, but I guess it fits. We don't know when we start it up, huh? Oh yeah, it's gonna work. It's kind of small, but it's gonna work. Oof. Oof. that's got to come out. Wow, I'm so at home under here. No. I know. Sometimes I'd be like, I just gotta rest for a minute. Alright, so the starter's on. I don't know if this is necessary, but it just feels like the right thing to do since the motor's been sitting so long. Just lubricate these freaking rocker arms and these springs. The dope ass engine in the background, right? These things, you don't want to be too tight. You just want to be like snug. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get this socket right here. What is it? This? That's too big. Alright, let me get this socket. One in the back, see him? a winner. How long was that?
3 minutes.
How dare you?
I forgot.
It's okay. Well, I'll cut it in the